Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 window cleaner robot. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Window Cleaner Robot. The Leektrue YW610 Window Cleaning Robot offers efficient and hands-free glass cleaning. With its smart AI route planning and ultra-thin design, it features both dry and wet mopping functions, along with an automatic water spray system for streak-free results. Suitable for windows, mirrors, and glass doors, it adheres securely and cleans thoroughly even on large surfaces. With its quiet operation and reliable suction, the YW610 makes window cleaning effortless, safe, and time-saving for any household. Number 2. Window Cleaner Robot. The intelligent window cleaning robot is a smart and efficient solution for keeping windows spotless with minimal effort. Its powerful suction, automatic cleaning path, and remote control make it easy to use on various glass surfaces. The robot ensures thorough cleaning, even in hard-to-reach areas, with strong grip and edge detection for safety. Ideal for home or office use, it saves time and energy while delivering streak-free results. A great helper for modern homes seeking convenience and cleanliness. Number 3. Window Cleaner Robot. The Divedeer Water Spray Window Cleaning Robot is an advanced solution for effortless glass cleaning. Its intelligent navigation and dual-sided brushless motor deliver powerful and streak-free performance on high-rise windows. The built-in water spray function ensures deep cleaning, while strong suction keeps it securely attached to the surface. Easy to operate with remote control, it efficiently handles both indoor and outdoor glass. Perfect for modern homes, this robot saves time and ensures sparkling clean windows with minimal effort. Number 4. Window Cleaner Robot. The Leektrue YW810 Window Vacuum Robot Cleaner offers efficient and intelligent glass cleaning. With its dual ultrasonic spray system and laser sensor navigation, it ensures streak-free results on windows, mirrors, and glass walls while avoiding obstacles with precision. The smart app and remote control make operation convenient and customizable. Ideal for high-rise or large glass surfaces, it saves time and effort while delivering sparkling results. A reliable, modern solution for hands-free window cleaning at home or office. Number 5. Window Cleaner Robot. The Vacuum Cleaner New Windows Cleaning Robot offers a smart and effortless way to keep your windows spotless. Its powerful suction and intelligent cleaning path ensure thorough coverage on glass surfaces. Equipped with a remote control, it's easy to operate and perfect for home use, especially on high or hard-to-reach windows. The device securely attaches to glass, providing a streak-free shine every time. A reliable, time-saving window washer that makes household cleaning efficient and hassle-free. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.